If your anime drawings still feel flat, or something just feels off when you sketch, you're missing 3 simple pencil tricks. Today, I'm breaking down step by step how to draw 3 totally different anime comic using nothing more than a simple pencil and paper. Whether you want to capture soft, expressive eyes, or master sharp dynamic hair and shading, I've got you covered. And make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing a secret shading technique for that third character that will instantly make your line work pop off the page. Grab your sketchbook and a sharp pencil and let's jump right in. First, let's start with character number 1, the female character with twin tails. We'll begin with basic head construction using a circle and a center line. Notice how placing the eyeline lower gives her a gentle, useful look. When sketching hair, draw in big, sweeping clumps first before adding smaller details. Next, let's move on to the second character, the girl with glasses and braids. For glasses, make sure to follow the perspective and curvature of the face. Use light hatching pencil strokes to create soft shading under the bangs. Now for our third character, the action hero holding a katana. Here is the secret shading trick I promised. Layer your graphite gradually from 2B to 4B to create deep contrast between the hair spikes and the shadows on his face. And there you have it, 3 complete anime characters created with pencil. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more drawing guides.